Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Hyundai Sonata headlight. This easy method will guide you through the steps, ensuring a smooth process. Before we begin, make sure your car is parked safely and the engine is off. Having the right tools on hand will make this task much simpler, so let's get everything ready to go. Now that you're ready, open the hood of your Sonata. You'll see the headlight assembly clearly from the engine compartment. There are usually two bolts holding the top of the unit in place. Use your 10mm socket wrench to remove them. After that, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it away. With the bolts and connector detached, you can now gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight out. Once it's free, you'll see the bulb at the back. Give the old bulb a quarter turn counterclockwise to unlock it, then pull it out. Take your new bulb, align it, insert it, and twist it clockwise until it feels secure and locked into place. Almost done. Now, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its slot, making sure it's properly seated. Reattach the electrical connector to the new bulb. Then, put those two 10mm bolts back in and tighten them securely. Finally, turn on your car and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.